Imagine cutting-edge AI technology and remarkable professional features packed into a unique pocket-sized drone. Introducing Mark, the world's first drone positioned by visual inertial odometry. Constituted of a fisheye camera and a GPU-based mapping module, the VIO helps Mark locate itself based on position relative to its surrounding, realizing true autonomous flying. Mark sees the environment around it to allow for easy control and seamless flying, whether you are outdoors or in. It also records the trajectory wherever it flies, whether through the app or by hand. Mark can follow recorded trajectory to fly automatically. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon platform, providing all the power of a bigger drone with all the convenience of a smaller package. And it's so small, it can fold into a pocket or purse. Mark is easy to operate straight out of the box. No need for calibration or satellite connection. Mark is packed with unique features. It can track subjects automatically, take off and land with voice control, and take pictures with a single gesture. Using its amazing biotechnology, Mark will amp up all your adventures and capture all your most memorable moments entirely in 4K. High-grade Mark.